Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Animal Facility Management software. First of all, you need to authorize yourself to use the software. Kindly provide your email ID and password. Once you are authorized, you will see different options. I am going to show you the options for AI. The options are protocol, register, add, generate, item store, report, admin, CPCA, profile, and logout. Under protocol, you will see add protocol, animal request record, and protocol records. Once you click on add protocol, you will see the status of the protocols, whether it is expired or active. You can edit, delete. You can edit the protocol information, animal details, or you can add new animal. You can add multiple rows. If you want, you can delete also. Animal request. These are the requests which are made by PI. You can view here. You can issue. You can see the details of the request. You can provide these entries and issue the animal. If you want to reject, you can reject it by giving a remark. Now coming to animal request records, here you can see the details of all the protocols like protocol in charge, approved date, form 2, status, species, strain, gender, weightage, approved number, year, request number, and issued number. You can filter the records using a protocol number if you are interested in particular protocol. So this is the protocol and you search for this. You can also filter it using the name of a person. Once you search it by PI, then it will show you only the records of that PI. Now coming to protocol records. So I have shown you already. Now coming to protocol records. Here you will see different columns. These are mainly related to Form D. You can filter the records using protocol, insert, or date. You can put register. There are different options: inventory, monitoring, upload documents, experimentation, and protocol. If you click on inventory, you will see breeding, supply, sale, mortality, and experiment. Once you click on breeding, you can enter all the details of the production like breeding date, weaning date, delivery date, species details, stock type or genotype. You can specify the quantity of male and female. You can add. Once you enter data, you can view these data. You can edit or delete those records. You can filter it using species or date. Now coming to supply. Add supply. You will have different input box. You can enter all the details and you can record the supply entry. This is the view. Add supply. Sale. Similarly, you can add entries for sale. These are the option. These are the input box. You can add or view sale records. Mortality. Add mortality. Details. Mortality code, date, strain, species, male, female, quantity. View mortality. Experiment animal. You can add new entry by using this form. Add experiment. View experiment. Census. It will show you the current status of your animal house. You can filter it using species, stock type, or strain. Once you select a species strain, you will see only the records of that strain. Once you click on stock type, it will show you the records only of that stock type. Now coming to monitoring register, you can add parameter, treatment, fumigation, microbial sampling, and genetic sampling. Here you can add the temperature and humidity or other parameters. You can view the records. You can edit or delete an entry. Coming to treatment, these are the input box. You can save, you can view treatment records, fumigation, room number, date, duration, done by, submit, view fumigation record, microbial sampling. You can enter the room number and other details. Animal number also you can add. View microbial records, genetic sampling, add genetic sampling, room number, sample collected by, male, female, animal number. So by using this register, you can maintain the day-to-day activities of your animal house. Now coming to upload document, you can choose a file and you can upload that document. You can view all the documents which are uploaded in your system. You can delete also if it is not needed. Experimentation register. You can select a protocol. It will fetch you title, animals details, experimentation details. These are the fields. So you can add all the entries. View experimentation. Now coming to protocol disposal. Animal specification and disposal details. Now coming to add option of the navigation menu, it will show you different options like add animal, add room, add user and reset password. This is really an important option in the navigation menu. By using add species, you can add new species. You can view the species available in your house. You can add new strain to that species. If you want to check the status of a strain, then you can click on status. It will show you different details. You can edit or delete. You can also make a new entry. Add room. You can specify the name of a room and you can add that. Add user. You can select the role of that user like PI, AI, technical staff. You can view all the users. You can edit them, delete them. Now coming to reset password. Some user may forget their password. Once they forgot, you can specify email ID and reset their password. Now coming to generate, it will show three options: Form C, Form D and Form E. It will be very efficient for you since you can generate forms by just a click. Now there are different filtering options: species and date and strain. You can check the status of a particular species. You can further filter it by its strain. You will see breed, acquired and transferred records. You can also filter it by date, by specifying from and to date. Now coming to Form D, it will show you different columns. This is similar to the Form D. This is the Form D. You can filter it by using protocol, insert or date. Now Form E. These are the entries. By using the print option, print button, you can generate the forms. You can print the forms. Item store, breeding material, feed material, housekeeping material, general and medicine process. These are the entries for bedding material. You can view the records. Similarly for feeding material, housekeeping material, you can customize these entries as per your requirements. Now coming to report, you can check the status of your animal house. This is really important because you can know how many male and female animals are available in your animal house in an instant of time. I have already shown you these reports. So monitoring reports, view documents that you have uploaded, experimentation and disposal report. This is similar with that option. Admin, you add buyer, add client or view clients. You can add supplier, new supplier. You can specify these entries and make an entry. You can view also. Now coming to CPCA, you can maintain the details of the CPCA members. Add CPCA nominees. You can select a role. View nominees. You can edit or delete entries. Similarly, as IEAC member, add new member by specifying the role. View the existing members. Now coming to CPCA document, you can maintain all the documents related to your CPCA meetings or any other CPCA related documents. Now meetings, it is specific for keeping track of your meetings. Profile, you can change your password using this form. You need to specify your current password. You can edit your details. If you forgot your password, then animal house inserts can only. Now coming to logout, this is really important. It is always better to log out to remain secure. Thank you very much. I hope you get an understanding how to use the software. Thank you.